Hi friends, this video shows how to install YouTube app in Kids Profile. First let me switch to Kids Profile, select switch account from top left corner, set Kids Profile Kid 1. Now I am inside Kids Profile Kid 1 and here I am going to install YouTube. Select this last option, Manage Apps. Select it, then enter Google PIN. And here you can see list of apps that we can add from Google Play to Kids Profile. See, here you can see the Kids app. If you go down, you can find list of apps that already installed in this device. You can find YouTube here in this list. Let me add YouTube to Kids Profile. Set YouTube, set allow, done. Let me test. Go to home screen. See, now you can see YouTube app icon here in this Kids Profile. So this way we can add or install YouTube into Kids Profile. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.